Hello everyone, this is Srijana Kaling, Assistant Professor of Sikkim Government College, Burdak, Sociology Department. So today I'm going to give a very short lecture on social institution, one of the social institution, that is marriage. So let's get started. Marriage. According to Horton and Hunt, let's define marriage. According to Horton and Hunt, marriage is the approved social pattern whereby two or more persons establish a family. Now here, Horton and Hunt is talking about the family, and they say that marriage is approved. Okay, it is a pattern, approved pattern where one and more person can have their own family. Whereas, on the other hand, Majumdar, he also defines marriage, but his definition is quite long but very effective and meaningful because he has given 4 purposes for the marriage. So, let's define according to the Majumdar. Marriage as a society sanctioned union of male and female, or as a secondary institution devised by society to sanction the union and mating of male and female for the purpose of, now I was talking about those purposes only, why do people go for marriage? Okay, establishing a household, entering into sex relationship, and this is very important, second one, because when society will give a permission or kind of acceptance towards the sex relationship. And another is procreation, obviously, and fourth one is providing care for the offspring. Now affinity is the another word given to the relationship by marriage. Okay, now quickly let's move on to the another slide, that is types of marriage, which is the major portion of my lecture. Okay, types of marriages. There are many types of marriages, so I am going to discuss few. Okay, first one is monogamy. Monogamy means one man marrying one woman at a time. Another is polygamy. Polygamy means one man or one woman marrying more than one woman or more than one man. Now again, polygamy is further divided into 2 forms, that is polygyny and polyandry. Under polygyny, it is that kind of marriage. It is a form of marriage where a man marries more than one woman at a time. Now again, this polygyny is also further divided into 2 forms, that is sororal and non-sororal. Okay, sororal is one form of the polygyny where one man marries more than one woman, but these 2 wives are happens to be the sisters or they are related by blood. Another is non-sororal. It is also one form of the polygyny, which means one man marrying more than one woman, but these 2 women or these 2 wives of that particular person is not related to each other by blood or they are not sisters. Another is polyandry, another form of the polygamy. Polyandry is one woman marrying more than one man. Again, polyandry is divided into 2 forms, that is fraternal and non-fraternal. Fraternal is a form of marriage where a woman marries more than one man at a time, and those men happens to be brothers. Okay, one woman marrying 2 brothers at the same time. Non-fraternal means one woman marrying more than one man at a time, but they are not related by blood or they are not brothers. Another form of marriage is polygynandry. Polygynandry is also known as the group marriage. Out here, there is not a single partner, because they marry among the group only. Okay, it is also a form of the it is the mixture of polygyny and polyandry, where one man marries more than one woman and where one woman marries more than one man, but they stay in a same circle, and out here their children do not identify their father or mother. Okay, Now, another is preferential marriage. Preferential marriage is a type of marriage, where they prefer or voluntarily take up this kind of marriages according to their cultures. Now, see, you can see on the screen only this preferential marriage are of two types, that is cross cousin and parallel cousin, and cousin is similar in this. Why? Because in preferential marriage, the marriage takes place within their own blood relationship. So first one is cross cousin marriage. Cross cousin marriage is a marriage among the two individual whose parents happens to be the siblings of the opposite sex. Okay, for instance, let's say Mr. A, okay, is brother and Miss B is sister. There is sister and brother. One is Mr. A brother and Miss B sister. Now this two Mr. A and Mr. B's son and daughter, if they'll get married with each other, that is cross cousin marriage. Okay, where Mr. A brother's son is getting married with Miss B sister's daughter. Okay, that is cross cousin marriage. Another is parallel cousin marriage. Parallel cousin marriage is also marriage among the cousins, but out here the marriage takes place and the two individuals will get married with from the parents, and their parents are of the same sex. The siblings are from the same sex. Okay, for instance, like out here the two brothers, daughter and son getting married with each other, or two sisters. It can happen with sisters as well. Like for instance, I'll give you an example. Mr. A is elder brother, and Mr. B is the younger brother. Okay, now this two elder brother's son is getting married with the younger brother's daughter. So that is parallel cousin marriage. Again, it can happen in among the sisters as well. Now Miss A and Miss B. Miss A is the elder sister and Miss B is the younger sister. Now the elder sister's daughter will get married with the younger sister's son. That is the parallel cousin marriage. So this is a very short presentation. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.